Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add Reels to Instagram. Now, this is quite a simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is to come here in your profile and click on the plus symbol on the bottom of your screen here. Once you do that, you can either select a post, but since Reels is the topic for today, you will have to scroll to the right and get into Reels. Once this is done, you can either select something directly from your camera roll or you can shoot something using the camera. Once you're happy with the video that you've shot, you can go ahead and click on next. And this is where you get to add effects, text, stickers, and all those sorts of stuff. Once you're happy with everything that you've done, you can click on next again. And after this, you can tag people, put in a description or a caption, and then you can go ahead and share it. Once you have clicked on share, your video will be there in your profile. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add Reels to Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.